Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today, I'm going to show you how to make miso soup. Miso soup is an essential part of Japanese cuisine. It is usually made by simmering various ingredients in a base of dashi and miso. This time, I'll make miso soup with using my family's favorite ingredients, wakame, tofu, and fu with gluten. And as always, my family, Mario and Luigi will be joining as helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas, so please watch in detail until the end. Are you ready, everyone? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So, miso soup with wheat gluten, wakame, and tofu is ready. So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. Smells so good. It is a dish that you can enjoy the flavor of umami. I can taste the umami from ocean and mountain, and it warms my body so quickly. I personally think the wakame, tofu, and wheat gluten, these three ingredients are perfect for miso soup. What is your favorite ingredient for miso soup? Please let me know. ごちそうさまでした。Here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: before adding tofu, put the miso paste and dissolve. Tip: except the tofu, cook the ingredients before adding miso paste. Tip: do not boil the miso soup once you added the miso paste. So those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. How was miso soup recipe? I hope this tutorial video helps you to plan healthy and nutritious daily meals. And if you watch my video for the first time, thank you for coming! And please subscribe my channel. I introduce easy, nutritious, and healthy recipes, baby food, toddler food, and pregnancy meals, and also desserts. They are my subscribers. Thank you for always supporting, subscribing, and watching my videos. Your support motivates me to create new informative videos. So don't forget to hit the like button as always. So that's all for this time. Have a great day, great weekend, and a wonderful new week. We will see you next time. Bye bye!